Hello and welcome. I'm Simone Heng, global keynote speaker on human connection and also the founder of the Courageous Speaking community. Look, it's been 2 years since we ran Speak Your Truth, our signature storytelling workshop. It is back. And now that restrictions have lifted, we can do more places for this very special workshop. And I'm so excited for you to learn to speak your truth, craft your story, and be heard by the world. So what is your Speak Your Truth experience? It's different than your usual courses. We're going to give you a full day working closely with me at the Great Room, one of Singapore's most luxurious co-working spaces, where we're going to break down your story, your superhero evolution story, why you do the things you do in the world. And if you've always wanted to speak your truth online or on stage, add it to your corporate presentations, introduce yourself more interestingly when you meet new people, but you don't know how to craft it in a way that lands right, that's what I'm going to teach you. Every story has a special structure and a special arc, and you learn that so you can craft your own after the story that you will work with me on during the weekend. So at the end of that first full day where you network with other people, you learn your story, you inhabit top secret storytelling and presentation skills tips. You get a whole week to learn your story. The next weekend, we come back at Riviera, one of the most incredible restaurants in Singapore. We will have a fine dining experience in a private room only with people from the workshop. And over an incredible 3-course meal, each person will get up and present their story to the group. It is the most fun way to do personal development, that is for sure. I cannot wait to see you there. Please, we only run this maybe once every 18 months because we just didn't know what was happening with the pandemic. Now we're back, but I don't know the next time we'll be doing this. So please make the most of this and read through all the information at the bottom of this page. And of course, click and come along. I cannot wait to see you in August for Speak Your Truth.